On the first evening of the hunt, this huge bull comes out with a herd of cows. But he is across a big field, so we have to wait.
Yeah, he's got him a big old herd. Look at him. Oh, push those cows right up here. We've got a real big bull out here. He's got a big herd of cows. I haven't seen a satellite bull yet. But that bull will go well over 300 inches.
It's a big bull.
Yeah.
It's too late in the evening to make a move on him, so we just have to watch.
Ooh, he's a good bull.
The next morning, we spot this nice bull, but he has us pegged and he won't come in.
Yeah. There was a bull bugle over our left shoulder a while ago. That was.
Yeah, I've been hearing that.
Later that evening, we spot this bull below us.
He's a little bitty bull. He's a legal bull, but he's little. Just bedded down right below us. Why can't he be a 6x6? All right, we've been hunting up high this morning. It's getting late, it's about 8:30. But Tom's been hunting here for years, and he likes to come down low, especially when the rut starts, so he said let's come down low. We got a bull about a mile down here. He's bugling. We're fixing to sneak down a little bit and see if we can't call him up. Man, that sucker's coming. He's gonna come right in. Go get in that bush to the left. Yeah. It sounds like he's gonna go around this bush. There's a draw right over here. I thought he's gonna come up this fence line. But I think he's gonna come over here, that last bugle. Okay. Sneak right over there. Shoot him again. Shoot him again. Get another arrow. Come on. Hit him, Tom. What is that? I can't believe it. We called that sucker in from a mile. I was shaking. We just caught this bull in from a mile. He looked like a nice bull. I mean, he came right up, come circled around, and then there was a monster mule deer right down here.
Man, I almost shot you.
Tell you what, first time I've used these right here, and this sucker called him right in.
As you saw, the bull dropped when Tom shot him, then got up and ran off. So we backed out and waited till dark to find the bull. If you're looking to do a bow hunt this year in Colorado on private land, give us a call at the Elk Ranch.